You can now create one campaign that runs across all of the countries that you sell in. Imagine all of that work that you used to do, that takes hours, now can be done in just a few minutes and a couple of clicks. When it comes to campaign optimization, you can optimize all of the countries together using bulk update features, but you can also go optimize the settings for each country in your campaign.
What's up, guys? Welcome to this episode. We are live in Las Vegas at the Prosper Show. I'm joined with Patrick, who is coming all the way from the UK, ready to talk about an amazing topic, global advertising. I know in the past it was complicated. It may have been a little overwhelming, but Amazon Ads has kind of changed the game and has rolled out a lot of cool features. So let's just start with an introduction of yourself. I know people are going to be excited. He is an Amazonian. You have some cool stuff that we're going to be talking about. So just kind of give us an intro of you and then your role at Amazon Ads.
Yeah, fantastic. I'm very happy to be here, Trevin. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Basically, I'm a product marketing manager for Amazon Advertising, and my job is to help advertisers reach global audiences in the seamless way possible. So we have a lot of stuff to want to share with you today, a lot of very groundbreaking features that we just launched. So really looking forward to get into it.
Awesome. So I know there's probably a lot of new people watching this at home, people live in the audience. For those that don't know what global advertising is, give us kind of a breakdown. Explain it as simply as possible for beginners.
Absolutely. So global advertising basically refers to when a seller is advertising across multiple countries and is typically outside of their home country. Now, throughout the years, sellers have told us that they really wanted to expand globally, but they think that it's complicated. And this is exactly what global advertising aims to solve. Our job is to make it as easy to advertise across multiple countries as it is to advertise in one. So we've launched a lot of features throughout the years to help sellers do that. So you can think of, instead of trying to juggle multiple accounts, multiple currencies, multiple dashboards, basically you have one dashboard, one account with AI-powered features in your preferred language and currency. You can see how much easier it makes it for you to expand globally. And that's going back to your point where you were saying that, historically we needed to access multiple dashboards, you needed to access multiple accounts. All of that is solved right now, so it's easy for you to expand globally.
I love that. So for me personally, I've been selling on Amazon for 8 years. And one thing that I like to do is I'm enrolled in the NARF program, which allows me to sell my inventory in Canada and Mexico. But the issue that I had was trying to juggle the different dashboards of oh, I have this ad campaign here and this over here, and oh, this budget is overspending here, or oh, I need to increase this here. And it was just kind of chaotic. And I didn't really have a good plan or strategy. And so I'm super excited for this rollout. And I think it's gonna help a lot of sellers. In addition to what we talked about, why is this such a big deal and what has changed other than just one dashboard? I mean, you mentioned AI, there's a lot of cool things.
Yes, correct. Going back to your point as well, when you're using NARF, a lot of sellers are using NARF, right? A lot of sellers are expanding across borders. What has really changed is, first of all, is that retail is becoming increasingly global. So a lot of sellers are selling across multiple marketplaces, and a lot of them, and we think that advertising is really a big leverage for them to grow their sales. I'll give you a small stat. When an advertiser usually expands into a newer country, 41% of their sales in that new country in the first 4 months is attributed to sponsored products.
Wow.
That's pretty significant. That's
Yeah.
almost half, right?
For sure.
So that's the first major change. Retail is becoming increasingly global. The second one is that under the global conditions right now, you have a lot of tariffs, you have a lot of new regulations, you have currency fluctuations, and all of that puts a lot of pressure on your profitability, right? So it's more important than ever for you to diversify your business so that if one country goes south, you're able to pick up in another country and preserve the total momentum of your business. And the third point is AI. Right now, it's easier than ever for you to expand globally. I don't even have to explain why AI makes it as simple as that, right? It's making everything simple, it's transforming everything that we have, and we are layering AI across all of the features that we have so that we make it as seamless and as effortless for you to expand globally while remaining profitable. If you think about all of these conditions, really, it's time to shine for global advertising right now.
I love that. I know you mentioned profitability. For me, when I am running my campaigns outside of the US marketplace, there isn't as much competition. Cost per clicks are a little bit lower than they tend to be. And I think it's amazing opportunity. And I mean, you guys keep making it easier. So it's kind of a no-brainer. What other benefits are there for small brands like me?
Okay, so when we think about the benefits for global advertising, I think the first one is kind of obvious, right? You can reach global audiences. But I think what is not obvious is how important is that for your business. And I'm going to share with you a stat here as well. So when advertisers advertise across multiple countries, they typically see 88% of their sales growth come from outside of their home country. So essentially, that means that if you are only advertising in one country, you might be missing out on 90% of your sales growth. The second benefit is just the simplicity that comes with all of these features. Imagine the time, imagine the resources that you can save when you use these features that make it so much easier for you to expand globally, and we're handling all of the local details for you. And the third one is you'll have access to basically year-round shopping seasons. So if you are somebody who is like maybe a small brand who leverages a lot of advertising to capture the demand of Black Friday in the US, right? Now you can capture demand in other parts of the world just as easily. So when it's not Black Friday in the US, it's Ramadan in MENA, or like it's Singles Day in Japan, you're able to just have a shopping season year round because it is always, a shopping season somewhere in the world. And now you have seamless access to all the countries that you sell in and beyond.
Now I kinda wanna shift gears a little bit and talk about, like, the actual tools and what makes it easy to run and use.
So we've launched a lot of features. For example, we've launched the global campaign manager where you see, the campaigns of all of your countries in one dashboard. We've launched global billing where you get one bill and one invoice across all of the countries that you advertise in. We've launched a global reporting where you get one report to see the performance of all of your countries in one place. We've launched global payments where you can pay from the proceeds of one country into another country. But what I really want to focus on is global sponsor products campaigns. The main benefit of global campaigns is that instead of you having to create separate campaigns for each country, you can now create one campaign that runs across all of the countries that you sell it. So imagine all of that work that you used to do, that takes hours with multiple tabs open, right? Now can be basically done in just a few minutes and a couple of clicks. But global campaigns is not just about the efficiency, because we know that sellers have told us, they want performance. They want to see campaigns that perform well. Global campaigns uses what we call AI-powered campaign settings. When you have an ASIN that you sell across multiple countries, you tell me that I want to advertise this ASIN, and then we use AI to generate AI-powered settings that work optimally for each country by itself. Advertisers that have used those preset campaigns generally get 24% higher ROAS than those that do not. So you can see the impact that you can have in terms of efficiency and in terms of performance. The third benefit is that you can seamlessly track cross-country performance all in one campaign right now. And then obviously you can go into like separate countries by itself. But what makes global campaigns also so useful is the flexibility that comes with it. Starting off, for all of the campaign settings that we suggest for you using AI, you can use that and get all the benefits that you get out of it. But you can also choose to customize them in the way that works for your business. Maybe you want to change the targeting here. Maybe you want to change the bid here. Maybe you want to do something with the budget here. So it's extremely flexible in terms of how you can customize the campaign. The second flexibility point is that if you want to add a new country to your campaign, it's as easy as clicking a button. Imagine all the
Yeah.
time that you had to go through before. Now it's
Yeah.
as easy as clicking a button. And the third one, when it comes to campaign optimization, you can optimize all of the countries together using bulk update features. But you can also go one-on-one and optimize the settings for each country in your campaign. So you can see how it all comes together to provide you, we're supporting you to expand globally, and you can, take our word for it and go ahead and do it. Probably gonna get great results. But if you don't want to do that, feel free to customize to your liking, whatever works best for your strategy, and go global.
I'm excited for everyone listening and the people at home to actually start implementing and taking advantage of it. What makes global advertising easy to use?
Really, what makes global advertising easy to use is that it targets a lot of the pain points that you would associate with expanding globally. A lot of the sellers told us that, first of all, they have a lot of like the language and the cultural barriers. They have a lot of, the currency barriers, and they don't know how to like localize their creatives as well. What makes global advertising so useful is that it targets those three core pain points. So first of all, when we talk about the language, there's a number of ways that we can deal with that with global ads. So the first one is that obviously if you are advertising in a country different than your home country, you can navigate the console in your native language. The second one is if you don't speak the language and if you don't understand the behaviors or like how they use keywords, for example, in a certain country, we will provide you with keywords that work best for that country in your native language so that you understand what you are targeting,
That's cool.
and then you can pick them, right?
Yeah.
And if you don't want that, but you still want to use your own keywords, you can put them in your native language and then we will translate them for you so that they work in your destination country. And the third one is that you can just bypass all of the keyword research by using the AI powered settings that we give you for your campaigns. So you just trust the settings and then just launch the campaign. No keyword research needed, right? So this is for the language. When it comes to currency, you can now generate all of your reporting and all of your invoices in your currency of preference. This means that you don't have to deal with all of these currency exchanges, and the fluctuations and everything that's happened from in a different country. And it makes it super easy for you to understand what's going on in your business and optimize accordingly.
I would say that was the biggest issue for me, is I
Yeah.
was trying to calculate the currencies and the different exchange. I'm like,
Yeah.
am I pricing this right? I don't know. So
Yeah.
that's huge.
Yeah, exactly. And the third one is the localization. So adding creatives that you want to localize and translate for a different country, whether that's ad copy, images, or videos, you can do that just in a couple of buttons. It makes it that much easy. If you take all of these into consideration, you can basically see how we've basically targeted all of the pain points that you have as an advertiser, and it should make it seamless for you to expand globally.
The people that are listening and thinking like, okay, this is great. Like, where do you start?
My advice is always to don't complicate things and keep it simple. The first thing that I would say is that start small. Pick, one or two countries that have a shared language or shared culture so that you get familiarized with the tools and how you can expand globally. Second, lead with your best-selling products because this will remove a lot of the, question marks if it's related to a product or if it's related to the tool, that it's selling well, you know how it functions. You want to kind of neutralize that product impact when you launch into a new country. The third one is use a lot of the automation that is available to you. So you can start very quickly by using automatic bidding and you can use automatic targeting. Now, that's helpful because once you start very quickly, you can start to get a lot of insights about what's working and what's not working, and then you can optimize accordingly. And the last point I would say is less of a tip and more of a mindset. Be patient. Yes, those tools are going to make it super simple for you to expand globally, but global expansion is not just a matter of days. It could be a couple of weeks. Start small, test, and take it from there. That's my advice.
Love it. Well, Patrick, I appreciate you jumping on, giving us a rundown on global advertising. There's a lot of advantages for sellers, and now it's just up to us to take advantage of it. So I appreciate you coming all the way from London. And for those that are listening, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.